It's me, it's Chelsea, and I'm gonna give you a mini tour of my room. Yes, I am. So, yes, this, as you see, is my door. I have cinema roll on here. I got my melody and one of the little twin stars. Yes, and then on the door here is my Mary Kay Nasty hat, and there's a little pin. Oh yeah. And then behind me is the CD holder that my aunt found. Yeah. And then of course a little Bombay cupboard or drawer thingy. And so what you see is, okay, so we have a battery from Walmart. The Nivea Kat Von D stuff. This was just a section for Mary Kay Nasty, but sort of, you know, didn't turn out that way. So we got Coraline, Jack Skellington, Elizabeth and James, Hello Kitty, and a tea set that my best friend gave me. Now let's go on to the wardrobe. It's behind me. Yeah. So here it is. Got my clothes. I didn't realize I actually had quite a bit of black. I know. I didn't realize that. And then I got some Febreze up there and some stuff to make the room smell fantastic. And this cupboard door does not shut all the way, and I keep wanting to fix it. Of course, the tripod holder, camera holder, there's no way. So here's some more rubbish. Of course, I got an itchy nose on the camera. Yeah. So here's some more stuff, more coats and the nail polish and beauty holder kind of thing. More clothes. And some purses and some stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much that. And then, oh, look at that! Oh yeah, we got that little theme poster. Got a love curtain. Oh yeah. Got a TARDIS. The wire and all that. In the words of Craig Ferguson, you know how you can tell I'm cool? I got a TARDIS on my desk. Anyways, back to the cupboard. So this is where I keep some jumpers and winter stuff. And so I had to store some shit in here while I was, you know, cleaning, so poor Michelle's in there. And then behind me is where I keep my little stereo, which I got from Best Buy many years ago. Probably 2007 and all that. This was given to me by my grandparents, which have sadly passed away. Well, my granddad, he passed away in 2010, and then 9 years later my Gan passed away. So this is like my favorite thing here. Bombay Company. I can't afford that stuff, my family, but yeah, that was a given to me as a Christmas gift at 10 years old or something like that. 10 years old? No, for my birthday. Christmas Day visit. Like and a totally different thing. Anyway, yeah, blah 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 blah. My little Xbox One S. Television that my aunt gave me. Purse. This dresser was my dad's. Yes. A Wii. I have a PlayStation 2, and I wanted to play video games, but my brother took my controller by accident. I have two, but so we're giving me one back. Yeah, I the good thing about Wii is I can play GameCube games on this thing, and I can play, you know, I got like a Mary Kay Nasty game and all this stuff. But anyways, yeah, got my mirror. This Holy crow. Yeah, as you can see, I was drinking some pop. Not a big fan of that flavor, I just wanted to try it. I picked this up, and every time I look at it, it freaks the hell out of me. I love it. Black cat said good luck. Got my bookshelf. I just organized this yesterday. Oh yeah. And then I just started putting up some posters. So we got some Doctor Who. This is like the Doctor Who / I guess Good Omens wall. Right? Yeah, of course. Of course, as you can see, I love Donna. I love Donna. Trying to figure out how. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, yes, I love Donna. I've said that hundreds of times. I got my friends, my buddies, people I chill with. Blankies, Jack Skellington, and then behind there is High School Musical. Got glasses, which I should really put on. My purse. Oh, and then behind me are the posters that I've made for Mary Kay Ellison. Okay, this poster I've had at least since 2012. There's, yeah, this one. And then of course, given to me by a friend on Instagram. I love you so much for that. So I got more stuff that I have to put up from her, but yeah, I love you so much. And then my computer. Oh, I can't forget Ranakuma, can I? Okay, yeah. Oh yes. Got my key. Yeah, so I got my computer. Got all this stuff on here. We got 10. Yes, we do. So that's it for my bedroom tour. Yes, I'm just really excited that it's finally painted. It's not this terrible color. It's finally something cheery. And I've said this before to Mom and stuff. And how if I wanted something gloomy, like gloomy there, something sad, I'd rather get decorations, make the room color pretty. Oh yeah. And then pimp it out, emo-fy it, scene it out, kawaii-fy it with like dark sad stuff. And what's also there's Halloween stuff's coming out. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Wow. So yes, thanks for watching this video and see you next time.